Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the incredible difference it makes to have a brand new chain on your chainsaw. So first up, I'm going to go ahead and use the old dull blade that's cut lots of trees, lots of branches, and see how well it cuts. You can see there's a lot of burn marks here. This would have been a lot faster to cut if I had just a bow saw. In fact, let me show you how fast it is with a bow saw. Now we're gonna see how well it cuts with a brand new chain. This chain is so much sharper and effective. It cut through that stuff like butter. Before it was burning up all the wood and it was just a pain and kind of dangerous to use, but now it feels a lot safer, a lot sharper, a lot easier. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.